Are you looking for the top 5 induction cooktops you need? Are you tired of waiting ages for your stove to heat up or dealing with the hassle of uneven cooking? Here are the 5 best induction cooktops I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop. First up, we have the Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop. Priced at $112.36, this sleek silver beauty caught my attention with its compact design and powerful 1800 watts. If you're looking for a reliable, portable solution for your cooking needs, this is worth a serious look. This Duxtop model is designed for convenience, using a standard 110-120 volt outlet found in most North American homes. It offers 20 preset power levels from 100 to 1800 watts, and temperature settings ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you complete control over your cooking. The 83% energy efficiency means you're saving on your bills while enjoying powerful performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking to cook quickly without wasting energy, this cooktop is a real winner. Now, some users mention that it can be a little noisy due to the cookware vibrating, which might be distracting. Here's the thing though, this usually happens with certain types of pots, and if you're using good quality magnetic cookware, it shouldn't be an issue. For most people, the benefits outweigh this minor annoyance. This induction cooktop is perfect for you if you need a portable solution for tight spaces or outdoor cooking. Skip this one if you're looking for a built-in unit, otherwise it's a great value.
Product number 2, New Wave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop. Next, let's talk about the New Wave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop, which retails for $99.99. I was drawn in by its unique features and sleek black design. If you're after precise temperature control while cooking, this is definitely worth considering. One standout feature is the ability to adjust cooking temperatures on the fly, which is a game changer for those last-minute cooking adjustments. With 45 pre-programmed temperatures ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, you can simmer delicate sauces or sear meats with ease. This kind of flexibility is crucial if you want to experiment with diverse recipes without any guesswork. Plus, the shatterproof ceramic gloss surface adds a layer of safety you'll appreciate in a busy kitchen. However, a few reviewers noted that it can take longer to heat up compared to some other models, but honestly, that's a small trade-off considering the level of control and safety features you're getting. It's ideal for those who prioritize precision over speed. This cooktop is perfect for you if you enjoy cooking varied dishes that require different temperatures. If you're someone who just wants a quick boil, you might want to look elsewhere, but for its price, you get fantastic technology. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for energy.
Product number 3, AMZHF Portable Induction Cooktop. The AMZHF Portable Induction Cooktop is next on our list, priced at just $49.97. I was genuinely surprised by how affordable this one is for the features it offers. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality, keep listening. With 20 power levels ranging from 90 watt to 1800 watt and temperature settings from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 465 degrees Fahrenheit, this cooktop gives you plenty of control for precise cooking. It heats up quickly, making meal prep a breeze, and its portable nature means you can easily take it anywhere. This is especially useful if you cook in different locations, like offices or camping sites. The included timer function is great for multitasking, allowing you to step away without burning your food. That said, some users have mentioned that it can take a bit to learn the controls. For those who aren't tech-savvy, this might be a bit frustrating at first. However, once you get the hang of it, the performance is more than worth the effort. This cooktop is perfect for you if you're just starting out, need something portable, or want to save money. Skip this one if you prefer a full-sized model or need advanced features, but it really delivers for its price point. Now, if you're looking for something with even more power, let's look at the next product.
Product number 4, Duxtop 1800 watt Portable Induction Cooktop. Next up is another solid option from Duxtop, their 1800 watt Portable Induction Cooktop, available for $84.99. I loved its straightforward design and powerful performance. If you want a reliable cooktop without breaking the bank, this one's definitely worth your attention. This cooktop also features 20 power settings and temperature ranges, similar to the previous models, ensuring you can cook just about anything without hassle. Plus, it's known for its easy cleanup. Since there's no open flame, food doesn't stick or burn onto the surface. Just a quick wipe down and you're done. If efficiency and cleanliness are high on your priority list, this cooktop will meet those needs. However, some users pointed out that it lacks extra features like a built-in timer. While that's true, I think its simplicity can actually be a benefit for those who want an easy-to-use device without complicated settings to navigate. This is perfect for you if you want something reliable and straightforward for daily cooking. Skip this one if you need advanced features, but it's a great value for the basic functionality. Now, if you want something with extra safety features, our next pick is all about that. Product number 5. Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop with LCD Sensor Touch. Finally, we have the Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop with LCD Sensor Touch, priced at $111.12. This model caught my eye for its advanced control features and sleek design. If you're someone who loves modern tech in the kitchen, stick around. This cooktop comes with a digital LCD sensor control panel that allows for precise adjustments, a child safety lock feature, and a fast boil button that lets you quickly get your water to a rolling boil, perfect for pasta lovers. The built-in timer is a fantastic addition, helping you keep track of your cooking without constantly checking the clock. Plus, it maintains the same 1800 watts of power and energy efficiency we've seen in other Duxtop models. However, some users reported that it can emit a high-pitched sound depending on the type of cookware used. While this can be annoying, it's worth noting that it's a common characteristic of induction cooktops, so it's not just this model. This induction cooktop is perfect for you if you appreciate modern features and safety measures in your cooking. Skip this one if you can't deal with any noise from the cookware, but overall, it's a solid investment for any kitchen. And now, let's move on to wrap up these great options.
So to quickly recap, we've covered the Duxtop Portable Cooktop, the New Wave Flex, the AMZ Chef, another Duxtop model, and the high-tech Duxtop with LCD sensor. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Duxtop Portable Cooktop with LCD sensor because of its balance of advanced features and ease of use. I'd recommend avoiding the AMZ Chef if you want a more straightforward experience. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments